adore start to turn your mind towards more their terrifying thoughts. We do hope you enjoy this next offering we have for you. Please welcome to stage our creative adaptation of The Raven.
In heaven for forever, and quote the Raven.
Nevermore.
Let that word be your sign of parting, bird or fiend, I shrieked, upstarting. Leave no black plume as token for the lie thy soul hath spoken. Why can't you leave my loneliness unbroken and return your tempest to its shore? Take thy beak